Hello and welcome to the FoodMyDreams channel. Today, we'll be sharing a recipe that no one can resist, shawarma. To assemble the shawarma, start by placing a whole lavash on a flat surface, then place half of the second lavash on top. Next, add the pre-fried potatoes, followed by the meat cubes, pickled cucumbers, and fresh tomato slices. Then, sprinkle with herbs, salad pepper, and cabbage. Now, it's time to add the spicy sauce, spreading it evenly over the ingredients and a little over the pita bread. Add the mustard next, distributing it evenly over the ingredients. Finally, pour your delicious sauce over everything and sprinkle generously with grated cheese. To wrap the shawarma, roll it up tightly. Preheat your grill for 5 minutes. If you're using a frying pan, fry on both sides until the cheese is melted and the lavash is crispy. Take it out, cut it in half, and enjoy the divine taste. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to the FoodMyDreams channel, and share the video with your friends. See you soon and have a sweet life.